What's up, guys? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so if you don't know, I think I love Roblox. Roblox is my thing. The main book favorite, but I'm making my own town. I'm making my own town. I'm making my own town in Roblox. Wait for a minute, let me just eat this. Just joking. I never eat that. Oh, I don't know that. There's an option. There's a party going on. Wait. Let's check out the party and let's build our town. Oh, 37. I think that's an estate, right? That's an estate. For sure, that's an estate. Bruh. The estate. That's an estate. 37. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. 37. Let's go. Let's check out this. Let's check out. I wish there's no. I wish there's no shark here. If there's sharks, I'm dead. But luckily, there's no sharks in, Bukidnon. Whoa, this is Uncle House. Let's go to the park. Okay, let's just build our house. I mean our town. First, first to do one town? Where do we put it? Oh, let's put it in the farm. And the farmhouse is gonna be the White House. I mean, now let's just make our own White House and boom. Wait, do you see that? Do you see that? Hide, 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 go hide. Hide, go hide. Do you see that? Nah. I don't know how to do this, but I have to do this. What are they? What is this? Who's that? Wait, what's that? Wait, let's go. Let's print. I mean, so they can not hit us. Let's print. Oh, do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, let's just do our orbital. And we'll make some rules. Yeah, we need rules, right? All towns need rules. And how about if we run out of, you know, okay, so all of this is our space on the way to the beach. So we need to make a border, yeah. We need to do that. Let's do that last. First, let's do the house. First, wait, no. That house is for premium only. We're gonna check out if they're premium. To check out if they're premium, they have to give me premium. Just joking. But if they give me premium, that's good. Oh, wait. This is premium. Okay, let's say premium only. Good, and let's just put this. Let's put bunk beds. Just one, because it's hard to get VIP, right? So we'll just put one, but if there's one more, we'll put another. Yeah, bunk bed. And let's put a couch. Good. And let's change, wait, huh? And let's change the color of the couch to blue, because blue is for premium. And let's put some TV. Let's put TV right here. Wait, why are there like that? Let's unlock it. Okay, let's put on big TV. And let's open it. Okay, now this is the VIP. Wait, oh no. Let's put some gaming. Gaming. Oh, let's go. Oh yeah, we need this. That's in the arcade. Good. Now let's make the White House. Let's put the. Wait, no. Let's do the VIP room. Okay, let's use the VIP room. Okay. Let's put on some VIP only. VIP only. Yes, this is the VIP, so we'll put. I think this it's hard to get VIP. So I give this. To get this, you don't need to buy VIP. I just give them. They just need, if they're premium and they want to go to the VIP, they have to give premium. Bro, chill, I don't need that. Bro, I said I don't need those. First, let's just put one bed, because it's hard to get VIP too. I'm not saying they're broke. I'm not saying that. So to have a good view, let's put the couch here. Okay, and put the TV right here. Because that's a good view, right? I wish properly. I think no. We don't need this. Let's just let's go. It's turning now. So let's do the houses. Bro, it's hard to make bro, it's so hard. It's hard. Oh, this the police station. Bro. Okay, here. I'm blind. Let's see. Wow. What am I clicking? What am I doing? Oh, I forgot. Bro, what am I doing right now? Yes. Bro, it's nice. So let's put some lights. Let's put lights. Right. So it look like I'm making a TikTok. Now I'm just putting this. TikTok. Good, good. This is good. Now let's do that finally. Oh, I forgot. You know what? Let's just sleep for a moment. I'll go back if we're done. Okay? I just slept. And it's not night time yet. I mean daytime. Okay. You know what? I'm ready. Bro. It's so hard. Finally. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we just need to now let's just do the house. Okay, first let's do the White House. White. What can we put? First we need to put on bed. Now they just gonna put it. And I put this here. And let me put books. Now, next let's do Burger Barn. Let's put Burger Barn. This can be burger. Let's make this burger. Let's put Burger Barn. Okay, and let's do some basketball. Let's put basketball here. Let's put basketball. Why is the ball flying? So, done. Now let's just do. Now we don't need rules. Let me just say. Oh no. We need to delete something so we can make. Delete that. Wait, what shall the name be? Wait, Brian Village. Welcome to Brian Village. Okay, so now we just need to put signs. Wait, we have to delete one more. Oh, that's the house. House. This is the house. Okay, so we have to delete one more. You know why? You know why? You don't know why. We can put one more. And we need to delete two. Let's just delete the basketball card. Wait, yeah. Make your own house. Make your own. Good. We need to put this for the prisons. You, I cannot drive. Center? I mean, bro, no way, I almost hit that girl. Wait, we finished? No way, with. Yay! And the time is wrong. This one is signs. Take that off. charge out the phone. So I think they don't need someone to look for them. So receivers worker. And that's all for today's video, guys. Peace. Oh, no way! I accidentally leave my my hard working is